Well, good morning, guys. Going down. So today we are going to the recording studio in Sharjah, and we are quite early in the morning. It's around 7 o'clock right now, but it looks like it's dark. Yeah.
Końcu tu zarazał, oj, końcu tu zarazał, oj, końcu tu zarazał, oj, końcu.
Yo, what's up, people? Going down. Kita म्हणता बाबा अबे सकाळी उठून रेडी आता सकाळी बेगीन उठवलं जाल्यार you have advantage over your competition. That's what I believe. Okay, competition तुजो न्हिदला तूं जागो आहे आनी हांव वता बर्ड बाय आहा. This is where I stay. आनी सुसेगाद पळय सकाळ उठून पळय लेबर काम करतात. So many things to see. आणि रोड तुका खाली रोड पळय रोड खाली. वीकान एक फाटी हांव पुरी भाजी खावंक वयता. म्हाका बरें लागता हेंची पुरी भाजी. तुमकां दाखयता राव. This is my friend Rajiv from Chai Pani. Okay, so he said there is no puri bhaji, so we will have aloo paratha. So 2 aloo parathas I'm taking, one for me, one for Dhanraj. Yeah, this guy is advertising right now. कुछ नहीं है. नहीं चली in the morning, so nothing is prepared. But ठीक है, मेरे को चाय दे दिया उसको. ठीक है. So Friday, Saturday is our off in Dubai. So once a week येता हूँ आणि पुरी भाजी खाता या आलू पराठा. तो सकाळचं बरं लागतं पण नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. आता च्या पिवंक गेला, मास्क खाला घालतलो मातसो, मागीर हांव रेडी. गरम सॉलिड चाय चाव. Oh man, if you get a chance, come here. Chai Pani, Bird Dubai. Oh ho. चाव कडक सारखी कडक जाय पळय तरी. Okay, here we are, ready to go in the car. We'll pick up Dhanraj right now and we'll see you then. So morning guys, this is Dhanraj. So we're going to the recording studio in Sharjah. Want to say hi to people?
Hi.
So we're off to the recording studio in Sharjah to record our song. We'll update very soon. Bye.
Bye.
So right now we are at Sienna Studio, and that's Nibu.
Hi.
So Nibu has come early for us. And we're going to start in some time. Just let him get prepared.